Yeah. Definition. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the new definition, sir, the micro is a sir investment.
आपका इंटरनेट बहुत खराब है. आपका
1 crore and sir turnover less than and sir.
No, my doubt was only this. Small के लिए कितना है? Investment कितना है?
Sir, small के लिए 10.
10. Okay, thank you.
10 crore, less than 10 crores.
Very good, thank you. That was the only doubt. So that's where I wanted to correct. So this is the definition. Definition is 10 crore for small. That is okay, fine. Now, the last question for you in SIDBI will be, please tell me something about Mudra loans and the part played by what is our SIDBI in that. What are the key features of Sishu loan?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Now, 1 minute. I'm just on, say, WhatsApp interview with somebody else. With
Sir. Sorry, sir.
No problem. No problem. I'm on WhatsApp interview with another candidate. Just a minute. I was for this question, the best answer will be no collateral, no processing fee, and repayable in maximum period of 5 years. Working capital loans will be given through Mudra cards. That's what they have given in the material that I have given you. Okay. Please prepare that. Yeah. Now, who are the target clients of Mudra? What kind of borrowers are eligible for assistance from Mudra? No, but here the answer is given differently. Non-corporate, small business segment comprising of millions of proprietorship, partnership firms running as small manufacturing units, service sector units, shopkeepers, fruits or vegetable vendors, truck operators, food service units, etc. They are in rural and urban areas. They are the target group. They are the target group. Which agencies will provide Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana loans? Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, you are right. You are right. Small finance banks also. Yeah. Okay, correct. Good. Then what? You are not prepared properly. You are not. You have studied, but you are not prepared properly. In that, even private banks are also giving. Yes, private sector banks are also giving these loans. So please go through the material I have given you thoroughly so that you can answer them well. Please, I will give you 5 questions now. Please tell me who is the chairman of IRDAI. Excuse Deboshish Pandu. Yeah, you are from which state? Maharashtra. Can you name the present governor of Maharashtra? Good. Now, can you name the financial institutions having headquarters in Mumbai? Good. Now, can you tell me the Adani episode? Gautam Adani episode. What is it? Yeah. Yeah, my phone. Yeah. No, thoda prepare kar dijiye. They may not ask you, but still be prepared for that. Thank you so much. Best wishes. You did well, but I know you had some problems in between during some questions. Ye aisa to hoga hi, because not all questions will be easy. Some will be tough. So aisa to hota hai. Yeah. 23 means 7 o'clock. And how much money did you pay for first time? Then you may have to pay 100 rupees more and send screenshot. That's all. Otherwise, no problem. Thank you. Thank you. You did a good job and best wishes. But keep yourself updated with current affairs and go to Google and search for Gautam Adani. Get to know some ideas. Go to Google and search for Mukesh Ambani. Get to know some ideas. Go to Google and search Elon Musk. Get some ideas. Prepare like this. Okay. Thank you. Good. Now we are on this one. Yeah. Because that candidate's, what is that? Internet was not working all right. So I had to go for this one. Let me come here. Yeah. Now, so what is it you would like to ask me or tell me? In fact, I should make it this way hereafter. Whenever we come here, we will come and talk about any interesting aspect that we have studied. In fact, from tomorrow, I am starting a 6 a.m. morning. I'm starting one spoken English class for people appearing for Karnataka Bank and other banks. The reason is one candidate came and told that, sir, I'm good in everything, but I'm not sure whether I'm good in English. So I would like to perfect in that area. So I told her, okay, within 10 days, I can't do anything big, excepting giving you opportunity to talk in English, think in English, and hear in English. So that session will be there every day at 6 a.m. to 6:40, and it will be, I will provide you what you should read, and I will also tell you to speak on that to develop your communication skill in English. If some of you are interested, you can pay 300 rupees to GPay 9003037557 and then send screenshot to my WhatsApp. The session will start from tomorrow. I will send you some of the videos I have made for this spoken English class, and also it is nothing but say an opportunity to communicate in English. If you are confident about it, there is no need for you to come and join that. However, the class will go on. Even if one candidate is there, I will just continue up to the interview date. That's what my idea is about. So now before that, now I want you to tell me what you have studied or in which area are you willing to take a question. We will start with Aman Kumar is a baby of the class. I don't think you would have studied anything big. Aman Kumar, since you are joining,
Sir.
yesterday, did you study something?
Sir, actually, before joining your class, I've already watched your 15 to 20 videos, and I'm very much aware about the very general banking terms, all the schemes of the banks, and all the
Super.
banking
Super.
related terms.
Very
Sir, I
good.
just joined yesterday to observe all the things which you were telling me, but I would ask you to you can ask me some of the questions today, and I can answer them.
Very good. Excellent. Can you elaborate MICR? Hello.
Sir, I have not read this term.
Acha. Can anyone tell me what is MICR?
So magnetic ink character recognition.
Where it is used?
It is used in checks.
Can you tell me about it?
So it's a 6-digit code.
Hmm.
It is made up of.
Not 6-digit, 9-digit code.
Oh, sorry, sir, 9-digit. First 3 digits represent the city. Next 3 digits represents the branch, and
I don't know. I don't know
sorry,
what
sir,
is it, but don't commit yourself like that. Simply say this MICR code identifies the branch. It is given at the bottom of the check, and this is used in the clearing while sorting out of checks. Okay, for sorting out of checks drawn on one branch should go to the same branch. For sorting, this MICR code is useful. Aman Kumar, next question for you. Can you please tell me what is the expansion of CBS? And tell me a few points about CBS. Aman Kumar.
Sir, I'm not aware of this term.
Achha, doesn't matter. Can anyone tell me what is CBS and talk about it? Anyone?
so CBS is core banking solution, sir. Sir, it is why it is used to because means from one center or one branch we can manage the transaction or activities of that particular bank. Wherever branches are there or how much ever accounts is there, we can keep track of those accounts from one single branch, sir. From this technology.
Not one single branch. An account maintained in one bank can be operated from any other branch.
Okay,
Core
sir.
banking solution is a software used to connect all the branches of a bank with the main server of the bank, such that the transactions relating to one bank branch account can be done in the same bank's another branch also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good, very good. Now, we will go for next general question. Aman, you are appearing for clerical post or officer post?
Sir, clerical post.
Yeah. Can you please elaborate what do you think are the responsibilities of a bank clerk?
Yeah, sir. So I'm aware about the sir. I'm aware about the roles and responsibilities I have to play in the bank. Sir, I'll be responsible for day-to-day activities in a bank related to issuing of like cash, and if the customer is having any complication in KYC, also I have to also resolve that. I'll be also responsible for issuing of the debit cards, credit cards, and issuing of demand draft also. And I'll be also responsible for cross-selling of different products of the bank, like mutual funds and insurance policies. But more important to this is that this role plays very important role in my life, and I know that I have to respect each and every person who will be coming to the bank, and I'll greet them personally with a smile, because in Federal Bank we always say रिश्ता आपसे है, आपसे नहीं.
Good. Is there anybody else appearing for clerical post in Federal Bank? Nobody else? Otherwise, all others are Karnataka Bank officers. Vinesh Kotni, you are going for what? Vinesh?
Yes, sir.
You are appearing for what?
Myself, I am appearing for Federal Banks. Clerical post, Federal Banks.
Oh, then why don't you try to speak out? What do you think are the responsibilities of a bank clerk? But one thing, Mr. Aman Kumar, when you were telling, I should do. Instead of telling I should do, you can use the phrase a clerk of a bank has to do. You can tell like that instead of telling I should do. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Vinesh, tell me about the job of a bank clerk.
Yes, sir. As a clerk, there are some roles and responsibilities which a clerk has to do. Like he has to face the front-end customer first, and if a the role of a clerk should be facing the customer, helping the customer for the various KYC or any simple issuing the simple demand drafts, or canvas the mutual funds, and if there is any FDs, and for example, is there any issues with the credit card, debit card, these things clerk should sort out.
Good.
Sir, I would like to answer the question.
Yeah, Apo, you are appearing for clerk or officers?
Sir, clerk. Sir, clerk.
Acha. In which you are from which state?
Sir, Punjab.
पंजाब. अच्छा, पहले आप हमको हिंदी में बोलिएगा, उसी बात को अब बाद में अंग्रेजी में बोलेंगे हमको, ठीक है? ट्राई
Okay,
करो
sir.
ट्राई करो.
तो सर मुझे जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने पढ़ी थी, तो उस अकॉर्डिंग मुझे पता है कि क्लर्क का काम क्या होगा बैंक में. सर मेरा रोल एज ए क्लर्क ये होगा कि मुझे कस्टमर से डीलिंग करनी होगी. मुझे पेमेंट ऑफ कैश और ओपनिंग ऑफ अकाउंट्स और डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, ये सब इशू करने होंगे. नेफ्ट, आरटीजीएस ये ग्रांट करनी होंगी, रेमिटेंसेस इसके थ्रू लेनी होंगी, और प्रोडक्ट को क्रॉस सेलिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, आई आल्सो हैव टू डू दिस थिंग. और सर जब भी जैसे बैंक को अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो मुझे कैश लोन रिकवरी के लिए भी जाना पड़ सकता है.
Good. Now tell me in English.
Okay, sir. So, yes, sir, I'm very familiar with the job role as I have gone through job description. My job role will be to entertain customers in the bank. I will be involved in payment of cash and opening of account, issuing a passbook, debit card, credit card, checkbook, take money for remittances through NEFT, RTGS. And also my role will be to do cross-selling of products and policies of the bank, and also mutual fund investment. And also I have to help the branch in day-to-day activities. Uh, I also have to go for loan recovery in case the bank needs.
Okay, fine. And only thing is, while telling about cash, you were telling only making payments or something like that. You were not mentioning receipts. It includes both receipts and payments. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. Very nice. Thank you. Now, who would like to, I have asked Aman Kumar 2-3 questions. Now, who would like to take the next question?
Yes, sir. I would like to take.
Yeah. What is your full name, Oppo?
Sir Shivam.
Shivam. Acha, acha. Today, just a few minutes back, Ajay, you were not that candidate. There was another swim online that is for Sidbi. You are for federal. You are studying which degree now?
Sir, Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering.
Good. Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering. What is mechanical engineering?
So mechanical engineering is a part of engineering that deals with mainly the mechanical things that are used in our daily life, and the and different machines that are being used in the world, from a very small component to a very large moving truck or a aeroplane or a ship. And uh, there are also different branches present in the mechanical engineering, like thermodynamics, like strength of materials, or if someone wants to go for material testing or deal in the materials, then he can opt for that field. If someone want to go for refrigeration and related branches, then he can opt for RAC, that is refrigeration and air conditioning. And if someone want to do someone want to make his career in the automobile sector, then there is a good there is subject that is IC engine and aerodynamics. Aerodynamic subjects are also studied in the mechanical engineering. So overall, it's a branch that deals with from a small component to the biggest component, biggest machines that are being made in the world.
Good.
We can see mechanical engineering from top to bottom.
Can you describe mechanical engineering in one sentence?
Sir,
Here I find mechanical engineering is the study of physical machines
okay, sir.
that may involve force and movement.
Okay, sir.
Physical machines that may involve force and movement. It is an engineering branch that combines engineering, physics, and mathematics principles with materials science to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain mechanical systems. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
How many marks are you scoring in your degree now?
Sir, till now, till sixth semester, I have scored 80.02%.
Good percentage. Good. Why don't you like to go for post-graduation?
Sir, actually, my family conditions don't allow me to go for post graduation. But if if I ever make my mind, then I'll prefer it through distance education.
Good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a clothes shop owner in Ludhiana.
Pardon?
Clothes shop owner.
Acha, clothes shop owner. So which season, which month in a year is busy in your shops?
Sir, when the season changes and people try to buy new clothes, then generally there are winter sales and summer sales. At that time, there is a lot of rush.
You are in which state?
Punjab.
Punjab. Punjab में अभी बिजी रहेगा क्योंकि अभी समर आ गया.
Yes, sir. Now there are a lot of sales there are a lot of offers in the factories and companies because sir, my city is the hub of manufacturing of clothes. So
Ludhiana, yours
now,
is Ludhiana.
yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, लुधियाना का बारे में बहुत कुछ पूछेगा जी. लुधियाना का
Okay, sir.
लीड बैंक किस बैंक है? Which bank is the lead bank in Ludhiana?
Sir, actually, I don't have idea about the lead bank.
Because throughout the country, banks have been assigned lead bank responsibility. Ludhiana lead bank. Lead bank for Ludhiana is lead bank Ludhiana. I'm seeing it in our Reserve Bank. Yours is Punjab, na? पूरा लिस्ट मेरे पास है. अभी रिजर्व बैंक से मिला है. अभी पंजाब yours is Ludhiana. The lead bank is Punjab and Sindh Bank. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Punjab and Sindh Bank is the lead bank in Ludhiana. In other
Sir,
places,
can you
like
please tell something
I'm
about the lead bank topic? Actually, I'm
yeah,
not aware.
Yeah, lead bank concept is like this. It was introduced in the year 1969 after a Gadgil committee report. After a committee report known as Gadgil Committee Report, according to which the banks which have more branches in a particular district are assigned lead bank responsibility. The responsibility of the lead bank is to make a survey of the district and prepare notes periodically telling details about the population of the village, number of villages, number of taluks, number of metro areas, number of rural areas, population in all these areas, what are the various companies, what are the various activities of people, what are the various crops that are grown. Also tell detail about what are the various, say, companies working, then what are the various companies working in the, what are the various schools, colleges, hospitals, railway stations, what are all there, make a pakka study about it and conduct periodical meeting with the managers of the respective of the banks in that area. It includes cooperative banks, it includes nationalized banks, it includes private sector banks. सबको बुला के meeting conduct करके, ये तो meeting अकेला नहीं करेगा. This meeting is conducted along with the district collector. And in the meeting, they will discuss about which type of activity should be encouraged more and what is the target given for each and every bank branch. So like that, they will arrive and assign the responsibility to them. And in the next meeting, they will review about the progress being made by the lead bank. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, and if you want to know lead bank of any one or two districts from your state, tell me. I am giving the link of this in our Telegram page. 2023. I am giving the link of that. And this link is nothing but this one, this is what it is.
Okay, sir.
यहाँ पर आपको पूरा all states का lead bank मिल जाता है. For example, now all of you can tell me the state and your district. I can tell you the lead bank. This is a piece of information for you. Oppo, I have told you. Vinish Kotni, you are from which state and which district?
Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam, sir.
Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh means pahla hoga. Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam. Srikakulam ke liye, it was Andhra Bank. So now it will be Union Bank.
Union Bank, yes. Sir.
Yeah. Now, Aman Kumar, which district? What is the state?
Yeah, sir. I'm living in New Delhi, sir.
New Delhi. Super question. New Delhi ke liye kya hoga? It's a good question. West Bengal states को है, न्यू दिल्ली को मेरा ख्याल से पंजाब नेशनल बैंक होगा, क्योंकि आपको ज्यादा ब्रांचेस उधर ही है ना. आई एम नॉट श्योर. इसमें तो दिया नहीं है. यूनियन टेरिटरीज को दिया, अंडमान निकोबार का दिया है जी, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. तब तो न्यू दिल्ली नीचे में आएगा, दिल्ली आता है जी.
So maybe Delhi है, yeah.
Delhi State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Yeah. Next, Ravi Teja, you are from which state, which district?
I'm from Bangalore rural, sir.
Bangalore rural.
Karnataka.
Achha. Karnataka. Gujarat, Karnataka, 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 Karnataka. Bengaluru. Bangalore rural
Rural.
is Canara Bank. Bangalore
Yes, sir.
urban also Canara Bank. Then Mangalore. Mangalore है, Mangalore ऐसा कुछ district नहीं है.
No,
पहले
nahi, sir. Dakshina Kannada. Mangalore is not a district. It comes under Dakshina Kannada.
Dakshina Kannada was under Syndicate Bank. Now it will be Canara Bank only. It will be Canara Bank. Then anybody from Dharwad, for them it was Vijaya Bank. Now it is Bank of Baroda. Yeah, that's what it is. So all of you have come to know about your lead bank. Very good. Excellent. Good. Now, where
Sir,
is, yeah, Somya is not
Sir.
there. Somya चला गया. Somya cut हो गया ना क्या? Yeah, cut हो गया. Yeah, tell me.
sir, I was asking what is the criteria for being selected as a lead bank?
What is the criteria of being selected as a lead bank is the number of bank branches. Number of branches
Okay, sir.
in that district. Invariably in Tamil Nadu, where Indian Overseas Bank have major branches, number of branches, they will be assigned that responsibility. However, in case of need, where they find that particular bank has been given more districts, then they may allot it to the second lead bank. That is a second bank which has got more number of branches. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good. Anybody else?
So,
Yeah, sir, I
sir-
have a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I was asking, do the status of lead bank changes frequently, or
No,
it is assigned for?
no. From 70 till date, I am more than 50. As I joined in 69 bank. From that date till this date, same bank. But changes can come like this. When one bank is merged with another bank will take over. Like Andhra Bank being taken over by Union Bank. Similarly, Allahabad Bank being taken over by Indian Bank. Now, Indian Bank will be the lead. For example, West Bengal, if you go, there may be many districts under our, what is that? Allahabad Bank. But now they will be under Indian Bank. Allahabad Bank nahi hai. Achha, only one is there. North 24 Parganas, Allahabad Bank. Now that will be with the Indian Bank. Similarly, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh also, now there are so many districts. Uttar Pradesh also, Allahabad Bank, lot of Balrampur, Banda, and all that. But now it will be Indian Bank. But pehle to Before this, Indian Bank was not having any lead bank responsibility in North Uttar Pradesh because it was mainly south-based bank, having very few branches in Uttar Pradesh. So that's what it is. Now Allahabad Bank, Mahoba is under Allahabad Bank. That will come to our Indian Bank. Yes, next. Aman
Sir,
Kumar.
most of the banks are public sector banks only, sir. Lead.
You know, lead banks are all public sector banks only. All public
Okay.
sector. I have not come across any private sector so far. No.
Okay.
I don't know why, because private sector banks will not do any free service.
Okay, sir.
This is a donation service. Na? You have to do
Okay, sir.
this for lead bank. You know, you have to have a separate department in your bank. You have to have a general manager, then assistant general manager, chief manager, senior managers, a team of people. People should go on, be frequently touring the places and keep in touch with the collector. So many problems. Yeah. Very good. Aman
Okay.
Kumar, you have a question?
Yes, sir, I have. Sir, actually,
Yeah.
I have my account State Bank of India. So I just want to know what type of question they can ask me related to State Bank of India. Like, I know that general question they can ask me about public sector versus private sector bank, or who is the CEO of, who is the director and CEO of SBI Bank. What are the other questions they can ask me related to State Bank of India?
Yeah, you can ask in what way State Bank of India is special. What are the unique features of State Bank of India? You can say State Bank of India is the largest public sector bank in our country, having more number of branches. And State Bank of India is the bank having issued maximum number of debit cards. Okay,
Yes,
these
sir.
two things only I can remember. But if at all you want to know more details, you can go to sbi.co.in and go through their annual reports.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, for example, one type of question you can get is that how will you motivate people who are having accounts in State Bank of India to come to Federal Bank? What will you do as a clerk in our bank? The answer for that is nothing but you have to say, sir, I will learn about the schemes of the bank. I will try to talk to people friendly with a smile and convince them of the excellent service we are rendering in our bank and bring them into our fold. ये तो बोलना है. It will
Sir,
not
I
be.
believe
It will not be
services
that very
offered
easy. It will not be that
Sir, I
very
believe-
easy. Pardon?
Okay. Sir, I was saying I believe that the services offered by private sector bank are much more great than public sector banks, because I feel like I have also my account in public sector bank, that is State Bank of India. But what I feel that Federal Bank, the feedback I have got through its website or through Instagram, the services offered by Federal Bank are so great.
It is true. Even now I am in a fix, you know. Right now, recently, a revision has been made by government. On 31st March, they introduced a law that all the small saving schemes, whenever it has been opened, must be linked to Aadhaar card before 30th September. I have posted a video on this. Did anybody watch that video?
Sir, could you just repeat once again?
On 31st of March this year, Reserve Bank has issued a circular stating all the small savings account holders, that is SB account, recurring deposit, national savings certificate, Kisan Vikas Patra, Public Provident Fund, Senior Citizen Scheme, then Suganya Samriddhi Deposit Scheme, all those schemes, those who have opened earlier also now must submit or link their Aadhaar card before 30th September, failing which they will not be getting interest credit. Do you understand what I said? समझ गया नहीं समझा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But sir,
ये
I
तो
believe
ये
Aadhaar card.
ये तो बहुत खराब का बात है for people like me, because I'm not in India and it is not possible for me to go and talk to them, and I have to give this for an account that was opened by me. Not in which year can you presume? 1990. सुनो कितना साल पहले? 24 years ago, account which I opened. In those days, it was sufficient if we give driving license introduction, which that I opened. समझ गया? Now they say you have to give, you have to link it to Aadhaar card. And abhi kaise karna, I don't know. I have sent a mail, but I am sure I won't get reply from them. You know, in this regard, yesterday there was one boy who came, you know, Mukesh. He attended an interview. Some of you who were there will be knowing. He is already a professional. He helped me to give details about my statement of account. He just, because now everything, statement can be downloaded in any bank. So he downloaded and sent to me. Whereas now other things I can't ask him to do on my behalf. That's a problem. I have to go through the branch where I have an account only. And it's going to be a problem. Nobody answers the mails. And it is so in my own bank. My own bank, Indian bank, people are not answering the queries. That is the stage. So I was telling you about what is that? This one. And another interesting or important news for our federal bank people is, can you tell me something interesting or important from federal bank angle, from the angle of people who are mostly staying in Kerala? I posted yesterday. Did you watch that? No. I know you guys, you don't spend time usefully. You are not watching it. How can you learn things? Tell me. Bank, in those who are going for federal bank interview from Kerala state. Former BSNL engineer and his aide swindle pensioners of rupees 230 crore. Candidates, I am getting this message from onmanorama.com. I will give you the link of this in the comments and you can read it fully. Let me tell you briefly what this is about. This is the photo of one Mr. A.R. Gopinathan, who was engineer in BSNL. He and another person by name Mr. Rajiv, a clerk, this person Rajiv, they have swindled 230 crores from the deposits made by the retiring employees of BSNL. This is the case about, it seems both Rajiv and Gopinathan. Gopinathan was supposed to be the president of the society and Rajiv was a clerk. They have swindled 230 crores, invested in some, say, land properties, and they have been managing it for 2-3 years. Like that society had only deposit of around 20 crore or so, or 19 crores, and advance of 21 crores. So the methodology adopted by them was like this. Whenever the depositors give money for deposit to the society, they will issue the receipt, but later on, they will be raising loan against it in the society itself, up to 80% of the same, and swindle that money. That is one. Another way is by closing that deposit, they will take the money. So this is the strategy adopted by them. This is Mr. Rajiv and this is Mr. Gopinathan. And this is he was a clerk in that society's office. and the fraud involved is 230 crores and above. And this is the photograph of one Mr. N.A. Abraham. He is one of the members who that has been a society Save Forum has been formed, where they collected details of deposits made by the people in a Google sheet, and that has revealed this situation. And this is also again Abraham and Santosh Kumar chairing the core committee. And these people, this is the photograph of one D. Savitri and her husband Nambi son. They are the depositors, it seems. So whatever it is, it seems a lot of people, not only BSNL pensioners, but also Brahmins from Palakkad, they have, and other places, they have invested a lot, and their monies are in stake now. And this is the information, and it is given that this scam is bigger than the earlier. There was 130 crore scam in Kerala, more than 130 crore scam. So what is that name? I'm not remembering. It came here. It was coming here, some name of that scam. I'm just trying to find out what is the name of that scam. That was some 130 crores. That happened about 6 months back or so. I remember because whenever I was conducting interview for them, that point used to come. Thrissur based Karvannur Service Cooperative Bank scam. There was a Thrissur based Karvannur Service Cooperative Bank that had involved a loss of 130 crore. Here also more than 220 crore has been pilfered. In Karvannur, the problem was low value of the properties pledged against loans. But here they have swindled the money straight away. And whenever somebody asks for interest, they used to pay from their account. That means the account in the name of Gopinathan, Rajiv, or their relatives and their Benami names. This is what is very sad. But I am telling this for the sake of commerce students and MBA students from, say, our Kerala. They may be asked this question in the interview, Federal Bank interview. Thank you. Yeah. Others, you may not be asked this question. For others, this question will not come. So that's what it is. Yeah. I will take out this sharing. Former BSNL engineer. Why it is not coming? Yeah. Anybody else? Any question, please? Zoom. Yeah. Anybody else? Any question? Oh, all others have gone. Oppo is there. Vinish is there. Aman.
I have one question.
Yeah.
So, sir, I have read what, sir, I want to ask you one question that is related to CASA. Sir,
Yeah.
I know it is current account and saving account. Its full form is that, and the bank can raise money through offering CASA to the public. But I just want to know that what is different. Like a bank can offer CASA to the public, like they can offer it generally or for specific purpose.
No. CASA means current account and savings account.
So,
Current account is an account which is opened by businessmen for transaction purposes, large scale transactions, large amounts, no restrictions. So no interest is paid by the bank. And bank charges service charges depending on the number of transactions made during the particular quarter. That is current account. Savings account is one that is opened by individuals and 2 or 3 individuals put together for saving purposes, for which banks pay a nominal interest. In Federal Bank, they are paying now 3.05%. In Karnataka Bank, they are paying now 2.75% interest up to 50 lakhs. If you know this rate, that is sufficient. So now banks are more keen on having more of CASA deposits because the cost of the funds incurred is very less. Cost of the funds incurred is very less because you don't pay any interest in current account. You pay only small interest in savings account. And studies have proved that not all savings account bank holders, not all current account holders will be withdrawing money at the same time. If cement industry wala people are withdrawing money, that money will come into another account. Say it will go into the account of, some suppliers who may also be having account with the bank. So the money the bank will be getting in rotation. So the concept of banking is based on the principle. Not all the people will ask for money on the same day. So that is the principle. Okay. Aman Kumar, what is the doubt you have?
Sir, I was having this doubt only that like I understand what is current account, saving account, but why CASA is offered to the public? Like
Why?
in more general, I was saying.
No. CASA is offered to public only because money can be taken only from public. If you receive as capital, that is different, but the deposits are taken only from the public. That is where, this bank, this cooperative society also, how they made up fraud. They were offering 9.5% interest when all banks were offering only 5% or 6% interest. So people who retired from BSNL, not only themselves, but also other people living in the nearby villages, they started putting money in this cooperative society. Understand? Even in Indian Bank, we have a cooperative society and it's being done very well. There's like touch wood, there has been no problem. Yeah. Now, any questions?
Sir, I want to ask that if there is a business can have two current accounts.
Yeah. They can have. They can have two current account, two different banks. They can have, but normally banks, what they do when they give loans to one bank, they take an undertaking from them that they will not open account with the second bank. But majority of the customers, what they do open account in second bank without the knowledge of the first bank. Kabhi some number two transactions and all, whatever it is they do it through that. Whatever transaction, they don't want it to be put through their account. Sometimes they may route through that also. But even that cannot be avoided nowadays because all transactions are routed through the PAN card number. The PAN card number of the company is given in one bank, same number will be given in another bank. So it will be reflected in the records of the income tax. That's what they say. Very good. Anything else? So thank you so much. We have been together.
I have.
Yeah. Tell me, Vinish.
Sir, basically IMPS and NEFT both are used to, yes sir, basically IMPS and NEFT both are used to transfer the money. Previously, the only IMPS will be happening for 24/7. Nowadays, the NEFT is also, by the NEFT also we can transfer the money 24/7. Then why these two are being existed, sir? Why the banks did not eliminate IMPS or NEFT, sir?
No, actually, IMPS, you can remit up to maximum of 5 lakhs only. Whereas NEFT, you can remit more than 5 lakhs also. And
sir, actually, I think the limit is actually 2 lakhs.
It was 2 lakhs. It was 2 lakhs. It has been increased to 5 lakhs.
Sir, has been increased recently?
It has been increased a year back. But
okay, sir. Actually,
but the books you are having, or the manual, or the PDF I am giving, maybe old ones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In Paparichit there is 2 2 लाख लिमिट
अपरिचित में दिया तो गलत है, वो तो अभी अभी बनाया है, फिर भी वो गलत करके बनाया है. It's wrong.
ओके सर.
100% wrong. So it's good that I tell, I will, you post that in, I will post it in our Telegram page. IMPS limit now is rupees 5 lakhs and not 2 lakhs as given in a few materials. दे दिया. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Best
Sir,
wishes.
hello.
Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask one question. Sir, recently you have interviewed or you have heard some of the feedback from the student who have interviewed recently in New Delhi for the federal bank post. So could you just share some of the questions which
It is already shared. It is already shared in the
But-
same.
yeah, sir, I have.
Same. I have already shared it. Nowadays, as soon as I get the question, I post it there only. You see, here, this
But,
is what it is.
Sir, I see that there are not many technical questions related to banking. I have seen that the questions are
This
more
is
related
how this is how they are asking nowadays. They are not asking very technical questions. They only want to find out whether you can talk well in English. That's all. Nothing else. So this is how the interview is going. Simply, they don't ask very tough questions and all. About banking also, no. They will ask you to make a sale of this water bottle. They will ask you to sell this cell phone, like that. So they want to know whether you can speak at immediately. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Best wishes.
And,
Tomorrow
and one more.
we'll meet at 8 o'clock. Yeah.
One more thing, sir. Sir, you start this meeting correct at 8 p.m. or 7:30 p.m.
I am there right from 6:30 p.m. here only with one person or one girl or boy. But sometimes when the internet is not working for that boy, then I go to WhatsApp. Still, I am present in what is this? Zoom. I am always
Sir,
before Zoom.
Sir, can I join correct at 6:30 or something like 7 o'clock?
No problem. Anytime you can come and join.
Yeah, sir. I want to give my mock interview like personally, so I can just work on my skills.
At which date you want? Your date has been announced or not for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which
it's
date?
On 28th of April.
Then which date you want your mock interview?
So I want so you can take my mock interview tomorrow only. Tomorrow night, so Sunday. On Sunday. It would be better on Sunday.
Sunday. Sunday is 23rd. Oh, I have done some mistake. So you better take it on Monday, 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock Monday. Okay. So, sir, after Monday also I can give another mock with you.
Yeah, no, you are paid 5. How much have you paid? 400?
405.
Okay, you can have 2. So you tell me your first 5 numbers.
Sir, 93102.
Okay, I'll fill it. You please send a message to me agreeing to take one mock on 24th April at 7 p.m. The second one, when do you want? You want it on 26th?
Yeah, 26th, sir.
Let it be 7 p.m. on 26th.
Yes, sir.
Done. Please confirm, send a mail to me.
So
Hello.
mail or message?
Sorry, message, WhatsApp message.
Sir, I just have to send confirm.
Yeah. You come to WhatsApp and say, thank you, sir, for accepting to give me mock interview at 7 p.m. on 24th and 26th. Like that, you put it. Because what happens,
Okay,
many people I give time, they are not coming. That is the problem. Today also, 1 or 2 people have not come. That's why I'm free. Anyhow, thank you so much. Bye. Best wishes.